Have you ever looked at someone speaking English fluently and thinking that I wish I could also speak like that? But you have always the doubt that you will not be able to speak English. Maybe English is not for me. Maybe I'm too old. Maybe I'm not good enough at it. Maybe I'm not fit for this. I'm not intelligent. I don't have an English environment. If these questions are going on in your mind, then guys, let me clear one thing, that English is not about being gifted, having environment, going to the institution. English speaking is only about proving yourself every single day with just 20 minutes. Yes guys, every single day. You heard it right. You have to give only 20 minutes every single day. As we are in habit of underestimating the power of a small action, wonderful result. We are running after having fast result, quick growth, instant transformation. But we always ignore the simple action. As meaningful growth doesn't take place in doing one thing. Meaningful growth takes place in doing the things every single day with consistency. Just think about the 20 minutes. Yes, these 20 minutes are enough to give you growth. It's not about English, it's about anything. If you do any single activity every single day with just 20 minutes, then the result is natural. 20 minutes are always better than the 90 minutes. But 90 minutes on Monday, not doing anything on the rest of the days. 20 minutes are better, but every single day. Because we learn English, we learn writing by making lots of mistakes. We learn running by falling many times. We learn walking by falling many times. We learn any activity by making mistakes. Then why do you think that English is so different? Why don't you give time to English? It is a process. It has a process. It will take time. But now what you have to do, you have some patience. You have to have some patience and doing one thing wholeheartedly with consistency without any break. And now what you have to do within these 20 minutes is 5 minutes listening any short YouTube video or podcast. Then 5 minutes read, 5 minutes. The same thing, the same things, knowing the meanings, looking into the dictionary, whatever you are listening. Don't listen without understanding the context, without understanding the meaning of the listening, right? Then read for 5 minutes every single day aloud. Read aloud. Loud, loud reading will give you confidence. When we read loudly, it makes us confident naturally. Then rest of 10 minutes, speak whatever have you written, sorry, whatever have you read, whatever have you listened. Speak 20 minutes. Make your own paragraph about that listening. Exaggerate that listening. Use those words which you have written from that podcast, from your reading. Whatever you are reading, find out some words. Whatever you are listening, find out some words and jot down them in your diary. And then look at those words and create a paragraph, create a story, create whatever you want to create. Speak. These 20 minutes, these are not the 20 minutes, these are the doors, these are the windows which will bring you to the world of English, to the world of confidence, to the world of the fluent speaker, where you will get entry by only by giving these 20 minutes. These 20 minutes are the door and the windows. When once you entered in the area of English, then you will feel natural, you will feel confident. But this confidence will not come within just 1 or 2 or 3 or 1 week. Just try this activity for 1 month. I'm not asking you that this 1 month will make you able to speak fluently and you will become the master and you will become an articulate speaker. No, but the beginning, but the confidence it will give, that will be natural. The vocabulary building which you will improve by following this activity for one continuous month, then something natural will come out. Natural English will come out. A confidence will come out to make you feel that you are good enough at English. It will give you belief. These 20 minutes will give you belief that you can do, you can become a speaker. You can learn English. You will get that confidence. You will get that trust in yourself. You will get a belief system, a support system that yes, you can do. Just imagine one phrase every day will become 365 a year, 30 a month. One page every day will give you knowledge. One reading every day for 1 month will make you confidence. Will make you confident. It will give you confidence. So these 20 minutes, and these 20 minutes are not only the 20 minutes. They will connect you to the speakers. They will connect you to the opportunities, where opportunities of building your future. You will meet your future within these 30 days, 20 minutes. These 20 minutes will give you future and opportunity to talk to the people with confidence. But these 20 minutes will be beneficial for you only if they are done with consistency, without any interruption, without any break. So if your future is behind 20 minutes, why don't you give these 20 minutes? If your confidence is standing behind these 20 minutes, why don't you give these 20 minutes? If your speaking is standing behind these 20 minutes, why don't you give these 20 minutes? If your future is standing behind these 20 minutes, so give these 20 minutes, just 20 minutes of passion, 20 minutes of hard work, 20 minutes of persistence, 20 minutes of devotion, 20 minutes of practice, 20 minutes of working hard, working wholeheartedly. Then you will see the wonder of your speaking, wonder in your speaking, powerful result in this speaking. But for that, you have to take a decision that you will give 20 minutes a day. Your future will be decided after these 20 minutes. a confidence will definitely be there. Confidence costs nothing. It needs just your decision. Your one decision decides your future. Your one choice decides your future. Your one decision decides your journey, your speaking, your future, everything will be decided by these 20 minutes. So it was all about today, as I the purpose, the motto of my video is just to practice daily. Try to give, if you are a busy one, you are the busy one, then just give 20 minutes. 20 minutes are not like impossible thing. It can be possible. You can have that 20 minutes if you are the busiest person in your family. If you take these 20 minutes from your sleeping, if you wake up at 6, wake up at 5, if you sleep at 12, take up that 20 minutes from your sleeping time. Sleep after 20 minutes, wake up before 20 minutes. If you take nap uh, after lunch, take 20 minutes from that nap. I'm not asking you to disrupt your routine, because sometimes it becomes impossible, as I'm also the busiest person in my family. Then take time that is going on in your sleeping. Take 20 minutes, just 20 minutes. Then you will see the difference. Then these 20 minutes will give you settlement in the future, will give you a bright future, will give you able to sit and to enjoy when you will get settled. These 20 minutes will make you able to enjoy your life. But first, you have to pay for it. And the payment of your future is just 20 minutes. 20 minutes only. Right? So this was all about today. And before ending this video, let me ask you to please like, share and subscribe, because your support is really really very important for me, because I want to grow. I want to grow in every field. I want to grow in my speaking. I want to grow in my on my channel. I want to grow so that I can help the people. Right. So catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. And yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because I really need your support. And I don't feel hesitate in accepting the fact that without your support, I won't be able to grow. Right. So because this social media is a platform where you can help the people, what should I say, in a better way. Because if I will teach here at my home, in my school, the number of the students, the number of the people whom I will be teaching will be limited. But the number of the people, if I'll be here on this social media, that is countless. And I want to help the people so that I can also improve by helping the people. Right? So let's learn together, let's improve together, let's help together. Right? So catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.